In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vectorize an image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll turn a regular raster image into a crisp, scalable SVG, and then bring it into Canva to confirm sizing and export your final asset. Vectorizing converts pixels into clean paths, so your artwork stays sharp at any size, perfect for logos, icons, or graphics you want to print or resize without losing quality. First, head to Adobe Express in your browser and sign in if needed. On the home screen, look for the Quick Edit area. If you don't immediately see the tool you need, click View All to expand the full list of quick actions. In that list, find the option labeled Convert to SVG. This is the vectorization tool we'll use. Click it to open the converter. Now upload your image. You can drag and drop a file or browse from your computer. For best results, use a clear, high-contrast image. Simple logos, text-based marks, or icons tend to convert the cleanest. After you upload, Adobe Express will process it automatically and prepare the SVG preview. Take a moment to glance at the edges and shapes to make sure they look smooth. When you're happy, click Download to save the SVG to your computer. You now have a vector version that can be scaled infinitely without blurring. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Canva. Create or open a design, then upload the SVG you just downloaded from Adobe Express. Drag it onto your canvas and click Edit to access adjustment options. Here's a quick tip. SVGs scale perfectly, so you can drag from the corners to resize without losing clarity. If you're matching a specific original size, resize the image to that original dimension so it fits your layout consistently. Make sure the aspect ratio stays locked to prevent distortion. When you're ready to export, go to the upper left of the screen and click File. Then click Download. Choose the format that fits your workflow. Keeping it as SVG preserves the vector paths, while other formats like PNG or JPG will rasterize it at the size you set. Confirm your settings and complete the download. And that's it. You've converted an image to a crisp SVG in Adobe Express and verified it inside Canva, ready for use across web, print, and also print and social. If your first attempt looks rough, try a cleaner source image or simplify the artwork before converting. With these steps, you'll get sharp, professional results every time.